In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase monthly limit in Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to complete verification inside the app so you can unlock a higher monthly send limit, and what to do if your limit doesn't update right away. Start by opening your Sendwave app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options. Look for and select Verify Account. This is the key section that enables higher limits once you've completed identity checks. When prompted, enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your identification document. Accuracy matters here, so include any middle names and make sure your date format matches what the app expects. Next, select the purpose of your account. Choose the option that best reflects why you send money. This helps the app set appropriate limits based on compliance requirements. Tap. Finish, then tap. Continue to move into the ID verification flow. You'll be asked to select a country. Choose the country that issued your ID. After that, select the type of document you'll use, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license, depending on what's available for your country. Tap Continue, and then continue again to get ready to capture. Tap Start to begin. Hold your document steady and fill the frame, following the on-screen guides. Make sure the details are clear, avoid glare, and use good lighting. If the app asks for both sides, capture front and back. When you're satisfied, tap Submit Photo. Next, you'll verify your face. Tap Start Recording to begin the liveness check. Then tap Start again to confirm. Keep your face centered, remove hats or glasses if prompted, and follow any instructions like turning your head slightly. Wait until the recording completes and the app confirms it's received. If prompted, add and confirm a payment method in Payment Methods. You can use a debit or credit card or link a bank account. Ensure the name on the payment method matches your account details to avoid delays. After verification, return to My Limits to confirm your new, higher monthly send limit. Some verifications update quickly, but it can take a little time, so check back if needed. If your limit still appears low, open help or support in the app, use the in-app chat or email support, and request a manual review. Include supporting documents if asked, such as a clear ID and a recent proof of address, to help the team complete their assessment.